Teenager Tom Bucket reckons he owes his life to a fast-acting doctor after he suffered appalling head injuries following a fall. The 17-year-old broke his skull in 10 places, and his remarkable survival was given a helping hand by anaesthetist Ben Clark, who was nearing the end of his shift as an on-call volunteer with the North Staffordshire Basics medical team. When Dr. Clark was called out, he sedated Tom into a coma because the head damage was so severe, and then immobilised him on a spinal board to be lifted onto an ambulance and taken to the University Hospital of North Staffordshire. By coincidence, his shift as an intensive care doctor at the Hartshill complex was just starting, so he quickly changed hats and went into the theatre to assist as neurosurgeons performed a 3-hour operation. Dr. Clark, aged 35, then stayed with Tom until 9 AM the following day. The youngster became his official patient in the adult intensive care unit the following week, but even when he was transferred to the paediatric unit for 2 more weeks, the specialist continued to drop in daily to keep an eye on him and regularly visited him during 6 weeks of subsequent rehabilitation at Burslem's Haywood Hospital. To this day, Dr. Clark from Hartshill often texts Tom to check on his progress and to discuss the latest result of the teenager's beloved Stoke City. Tom from Clayton, who is making a spectacular recovery, nominated Ben for a Hero of the NHS award. He said, "I owe my life to what he did for me on that day. It was a miracle, and the support and care he has given me since then has been fantastic."